Hey friends, Jessica here with Creators Couture doing a little tutorial recap. So this tutorial was a lot of fun. I used my Valentine's inspired palettes to do 3 little mini projects and had a lot of fun with that. So that's the palettes, and the first thing that I got into was this watercolor flower. And I really like how simple it is and how easily I did it with my loose watercolor brushes. But it was really like 3 layers essentially. And using those palettes together just turned out really nice. And then doing one of them with like more of a watercolor with a sharper edge just made those petals look really good. And I also did the highlights in the center with my iridescent brushes. Now the next one that I got into was a lot of fun. I used my Creative Couture layer styles, the glittery ones, along with my, actually I used gold play brushes on this one to create these dimensional brush strokes and just like layered them all on top of each other. I also added some celestial gold mine in there, layer style, and then played around with the liquify feature, so that was a lot of fun. And then the last one was a little pattern play. I stamped out these hearts, used my glitch core brushes, all using like some of these pink color palettes, and then I did a little bit of a watercolor background, and I used my pattern painter brushes. So like and follow for more, and let me know if you have any questions.